Home sales remain at record levels across Metro Vancouver. There were 4,781 homes sold on the MLS in the region last month. This is up 14.4% compared to last year. It's also 41.7% above the 10-year April sales average, and it ranks as the highest selling April on record. On the home listing side, there were 6,127 new listings added to the MLS. This is a 4% increase from last year. All totaled, there are 7,550 homes currently listed for sale on our MLS today. This is down 39% compared to April 2015 and a 2.6% increase from last month. Home buyer competition is keeping upward pressure on home prices across the region. The benchmark price for all residential properties rose to $844,800 in April. That's a 25% increase over last year. At 30%, detached homes have seen the largest increase over this period, while condos and townhomes have increased about 21% and 22%. To help us better understand the strength of today's market, we measure home buyer demand, fueled by home sales, against home seller supply, fueled by the number of home listings. This measurement today gives us a sales to active listing ratio of 63%. This is reflective of a seller's market. Generally, analysts say that downward pressure on home prices occurs when the ratio dips below the 12% mark, while home prices often experience upward pressure when it reaches 20% in a particular community for a sustained period of time. This brings us to this month's Realtor View segment. This month we're looking at the supply of homes for sale. Much has been made about the lack of supply in today's market. We measure supply with two stats: active home listings and new listings. Over the last year, the total number of active home listings in Metro Vancouver has been lower than we've seen in many years. We have, however, begun to see some steady increases in the flow of home listings being added to our MLS system each month. We call these new listings. As you can see here, we had more than 6,000 new listings in both March and April. Prior to this, we hadn't hit 6,000 in a month since 2012. While the stream of homes coming on the market is increasing, the unprecedented surge in home buyer demand today is preventing the total number of active home listings to accumulate in any significant way. We'll continue to watch the trends in both new and active listings in the months ahead to see if home sellers are becoming more active in today's demand-driven market. For further housing market information, go to the News and Stats section of this website. For the Real Estate Board of Greater Vancouver, I'm Dan Morrison.